about China there because it seems to be preparing to disrupt world order once again. It certainly does seem to be the case with the latest trick up to their sleeve where China has now developed a new compact deep sea cable cutting device which is capable of severing world's most fortified underwater communication or power lines as well. Now the implications of this development are said to be huge and it could very well shake up the global maritime power dynamics as well. Let's in the meantime also take a look exactly what it could also withhold, especially when it comes to the cable cutter device and what we are talking about. This is another type of a digital warfare weapon, it seems, that China has now developed with the new undersea cable cutters as well. What is being said that it can operate at a depth to up to 4,000 meters and uses around 150 mm of diamond coated when it comes to the grinding wheel. So this is a concern that is now being raised over such kind of technology that is now being used. Also ensures precise cutting in near zero visibility and can also be used on crewed and uncrewed submissiles as well. So this is a concern that is now being raised, especially when it comes to the global powers today, what they have to say on how China seems to be readying cable cutters and why global powers today are concerned. Now this is as far as when it comes to China readies the cable cutters, because why it is now being said it is a matter of concern where other countries across the world are closely watching as far as what China seems to be up to, because it can be used to disrupt undersea communications and can cause when it comes to geopolitical conflicts as well. Also what is now being said that it can be used to cut cables near strategic choke points, and that may level, this is another kind or new kind of warfare that is also being suggested by certain strategists, which further strengthens China's maritime dominance, and it is also said to be a threat to nearly 95% of the global data transmission infrastructure as well. But why exactly when it comes to the global powers be concerned of this kind of technology that China seems to have come up with, and also if there has been certain previous instances? Yes, let's take a look exactly what has happened before when it comes to the past undersea cable disruptions that were reported in the Red Sea in the 2024 months of February and March, where 4 out of the 20 subsea cables were cut, and likely it is being said by Houthis or when it comes to the rebels in the area. There have been other instances in the past as well that have been reported when it comes to nearly 25% disruption of the traffic that happened through the Red Sea was affected, and nearly when it comes to Microsoft 365 also faced certain outages when it comes to in South Africa. Let's get you another example that happened. It was on the Christmas Day of 2024 at the Baltic Sea, where cables to Estonia were severed. There was sabotage, and it was suspected that nearly 3 fiber optic cables to Estonia were damaged. There has been another incident that was reported back in November 2023 when 2 submarines cables were also damaged, and this is the suspicion that actually went on to point at the Chinese-owned Yipeng 3 ships.